the pathologist today conducted a post-mortem examination on the body of the child and certified that she died from multiple trauma, which would indicate that she was beaten severely, and that beating was what actually caused her death. Police have also detained both foster parents. They are still in police custody. They were charged based on the advice of the DPP over the weekend for aggravated assault. And now that the post-mortem examination has been concluded, the result of that has been forwarded to the DPP, and we will now await further instructions from her as it relates to any possible further charges. I can say that both foster parents have also admitted to having lashed the child with a belt, according to them, but I don't know if a belt would cause that amount of force as the doctor had prescribed following the post-mortem examination. So, like I said before, we're waiting now for the DPP further instruction in terms of additional charges that may follow on the foster parents. I have asked of the investigator who witnessed the post-mortem to find out from the doctor if in fact the injuries appeared to be over a period of time or just moments before the death. I am not sure if the doctor had given an answer to that question, but the parents or the foster parents admitted to having lashed her over a 24 hours period per se, due to the fact that they might have been teaching her some colors issue, and the child refused to call out the colors as was being shown to her by the foster parent. The law under justifiable use of force and harm, I believe section 38 of the Criminal Code, do speak to the fact that parents can chastise a child, but it also goes on to say that the chastisement of the child must not be too excessive. And in this case, where that so-called chastising is so severe that it caused the death of the child, then certainly the parents can be held to account. It might not be a charge of murder, but at the very least manslaughter. It is a sad situation, I must say, for the mother. I am sure that she's going through her own difficulties at this time, coping with the loss of yet a second child. I know that social department is dealing with the matter. They're addressing it quite well, and I will leave that for them to deal with as it falls within the scope of their work.